According to 1 Samuel 17:4, apparently Goliath was 6 cubits and 1 span. How tall is that in foot and inches? Because apparently in America that's how we measure things. Um, all right. Well, I know that 6 cubits is equal to 18 inches. No, I'm sorry. 1 cubit is equal to 18 inches. I'm starting off with 6 cubits, so I want to convert that to inches, and I have 1 cubit on the bottom, and I have inches on top, and I know that there's 18 inches in 1 cubit. So the cubits cancel out with the cubits, and you're left with 6 times 18, which is 108. 108 inches. That's awesome. All right, so that's 108 inches. 1 span is equal to 9 inches. So that would be 1 span per 9 inches. So I start off with what they gave me, which is here, 6 cubits and 1 span. And then I'm converting that all into inches because I basically know how to deal with things in inches. And so 1 span is equal to 9 inches. So 1 times 9 is 9. So apparently Goliath was 108 plus 9. That's 117 inches. But I asked for him in foot and inches because it doesn't really make sense as far as that. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to divide this number by 12. There's 12 inches in 1 foot. And let's see, divided by 12. And you got 9.75 feet. Wow. Wow. Okay, all right, fine. 9.75 feet. So how tall is 0.75 feet? That doesn't really make sense. Now, I know that there's a very easy way to do this, but I'm going to go like this. I'm just going to convert 0.75 feet back into inches because I know that he's a solid 9 feet, or I'm going to put it FT, plus an additional so many inches. He's an additional 0.75 feet, and what is that in inches? And so what you do is you want to just go like this. You want to say, well, there's 1 foot in 12 inches. And then I want to say, hey, calculator, what is 0.75 times 12? Or what is 3/4 of 12? Well, let's see. That would be 9, right? So, because 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then multiply that by 3 is 9. Well, there we go. It's 9. 9 feet, 9 inches tall. That's how tall Goliath is. 9 feet, 9 inches. Just to get that in perspective, let me go start doing some looking up on my phone and just see how tall is Shaquille O'Neal. He's a pretty tall guy, right? All right, let's see. New tab. Okay, sorry. I would look it up on this computer, but I don't have it connected to the internet just now. How tall is Shaq? S-H-A-Q. Shaq, Shaquille O'Neal is 7 feet 1 inch. Dude, this guy was, okay, let's see. Yao Ming is 7 feet 6 inches. That's like that Chinese basketball player. 7 feet 6 inches. LeBron James, he's a really popular guy right now. He's 6 feet 8 inches. Goliath stood a good 3 feet over LeBron James. That would be like if LeBron James had my 2-year-old standing on top of his head, he would reach the height of Goliath. That's pretty crazy.